You've got a check in your hand. It's been sitting in a drawer for 7 months. Can you still cash it? And if you wrote one that nobody cashed, what happens to that money? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to handle a stale dated check, whether you received one or issued one. A stale dated check is any check that hasn't been cashed within a certain window. For most checks, that window is 180 days, which is 6 months from the date written on the check. After that, your bank isn't required to honor it. The check still exists on paper. The bank just no longer has to do anything with it. Not every check expires at the same time. Personal, business, and payroll checks all go stale at 180 days. U.S. Treasury checks are good for a full year. Cashier's checks usually expire at 180 days too. Certified checks and money orders typically don't expire at all, though state unclaimed property laws can still apply. So always check the date and the type first. Here's the quick version of how to handle it. Then I'll break each step down. If you received a stale check, you've got 3 options. Contact the issuer for reissue, try depositing it through your bank, or check your state's unclaimed property database. If you issued the stale check, you stop payment and reissue, but you can't just keep the money. Let's go deeper. If you received a stale check, start with the issuer. Reach out to the business or person who wrote it. Most companies will reissue the check or send an electronic payment instead. This is the cleanest path because it gets you paid without any bank friction. Don't ignore this step. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to track them down. If you can't reach the issuer, take the check to your bank. Banks aren't required to cash stale checks, but some will if they can verify the issuer's funds are still available. 3 things can happen. The bank accepts it. The bank rejects it because of the age, or it gets accepted, then bounces back as a return check. Worth trying, but don't bank on it. If both the issuer and the bank are dead ends, your money may already be sitting with your state. Every U.S. state has escheatment laws that require businesses to turn over unclaimed funds after a dormancy period. The state holds the money until the rightful owner claims it. Search your state's unclaimed property database. The money's still yours. You just have to claim it. Now, the other side. You issued a check, and 180 days went by with nothing cashed. First, reach out to the payee and confirm whether they still have it. If they lost it, place a stop payment on the original through your bank. That voids the check. Then, issue a new one. Don't just write a new check without the stop payment. If both clear, you've paid twice. The stop payment is the safety step. Here's the part most business owners miss. If you issued a check and the payee never cashed it, you might be tempted to just reverse the expense and pocket the cash. Don't. Unclaimed property laws say that money still belongs to the payee, not you. After your state's dormancy period, you're required to turn it over to the state. Reversing the expense without escheatment can put you on the wrong side of an audit. The best fix is prevention. 5 steps for your business. 1. Deposit any check you receive within a month. 2. Reconcile your bank statements monthly to flag outstanding checks. 3. Follow up with payees who haven't cashed your checks. 4. Switch high-risk payments to electronic transfers. 5. Know your state's escheatment rules so you don't get caught off guard. Build it once, run it forever. Stale checks are a paperwork problem. The fix is fewer paper checks. Modern accounting tools like QuickBooks let you send and receive electronic payments, track every transaction in real time, and flag outstanding items before they ever go stale. Link to the full guide is in the description below. If this helped, hit subscribe for more small business financial breakdowns. Thanks for watching.